Hello all and welcome back to Jolly Good Journeys. I'm in Cayo Guillermo in Cuba. Got a good deal on an all-inclusive package for a week. So I'll be here for the next 7 days. Let's start exploring. While being extremely beautiful in itself, Cayo Guillermo is not the real Cuba. It is just an area exclusively reserved for tourists. In fact, the only Cubans that are allowed here are those who work in the tourist resorts. So to experience the real Cuba, I had to book an excursion that would take me out of the resort. As we leave the resort behind and head out onto the long causeway connecting Cayo Guillermo to Cuba's mainland, the scenery shifts dramatically. Open water stretches on both sides. This isn't the usual beach view, but a hint of the adventure waiting beyond. Before the trip, I was told to bring my passport, just in case it's needed when crossing back to the real Cuba. It's a reminder that outside the resort's comforts, travel here means new rules, a little more paperwork, and a lot more possibilities. Driving across this strip of road feels like crossing a threshold. The further we go, the more it feels like Cuba is opening up, ready to show its true colors beyond the all-inclusive gates. Our first stop is this unique crocodile farm, home to some of Cuba's most endangered wildlife. These ancient reptiles aren't just fascinating, they are part of a crucial conservation effort to protect native crocodile species and help them thrive once again in Cuba's wetlands. As we make our way to the next stop, the landscape opens into wide stretches of grassy fields, dotted here and there with cows and pigs lazily grazing. There's no formal farmland in sight, just the simple, natural countryside that many locals call home. This quiet, pastoral scene gives a real sense of Cuba beyond the tourist spots, unpretentious, calm, and close to nature. Up ahead, we are heading to a working farm, where we'll get an even closer look at how life here connects to the land in a very hands-on way. On reaching the farm, we go on a horseback ride across it. Exploring the farm on horseback gives a unique perspective on the land and the hard work behind it all. This farm grows a variety of crops, from bananas and coffee to tobacco and an assortment of fruits that thrive in Cuba's climate. They also keep bees here, harvesting honey that's as natural and rich as the surroundings. Seeing this blend of agriculture and nature up close really highlights the traditional sustainable way of farming that keeps rural Cuba alive. Next, we visit the town of Moron, the closest municipality to the resorts and home to many of the resort staff who live and work here. Riding through the streets on a horse-drawn carriage offers a slow, intimate way to take in the town's atmosphere. You can't help but notice the dilapidated buildings and signs of poverty. Crumbling facades and worn-down homes tell stories of hardship and economic challenges. Yet, despite this, the people here carry a genuine cheerfulness and warmth that shines through. Their resilience is evident in the smiles and everyday life unfolding around us. It is a humbling glimpse into Cuban life beyond the tourist bubble, a community that holds on to joy and hope amid difficult circumstances. To wrap up the day, we are taking a relaxing boat ride through a beautiful lagoon surrounded by dense mangroves. It is a typical tourist activity, sure, but no less enchanting. The calm waters and lush greenery create a peaceful ecosystem teeming with wildlife. Gliding through these ancient mangrove forests, it's easy to appreciate the natural beauty that makes this part of Cuba so special. It's the perfect way to unwind after a day of exploring and to reflect on the many different faces of this unique destination. As the sun sets over the water, is the perfect moment to reflect on a day full of contrasts and discoveries. From the serene beaches of Cayo Guillermo to the hardworking farms and vibrant town life nearby, Cuba reveals itself in many layers. This journey showed me a glimpse of the real Cuba beyond the resort walls, the resilience of its people, the beauty of its nature, and the traditions that endure. It's a reminder that travel is not just about places, but about the stories and spirit that makes them unforgettable. That's all for now from Jolly Good Journeys. I'll see you in another adventure soon enough.